Welcome to our Churn Prediction Marketing Accelerator demo in Alteryx. Customer churn prediction means knowing which customers are likely to leave or unsubscribe from your service. For many companies, this is an important prediction. This is because acquiring new customers often costs more than retaining existing ones. Our approach is very simple and based on 3 tenets. 1. Earn trust. 2. Be business outcomes focused. 3. Execute flawlessly. Welcome to our video on Churn Prediction, a powerful tool for improving your retention rate and achieving a better product market fit, PMF. In this video, we will explore how Churn Prediction can help you identify customers who are likely to churn in a given period. We will be creating a simple churn prediction model using Alteryx. We'll leverage the power of algorithms and techniques to analyze customer behavior and identify patterns that indicate potential churn. By understanding these patterns, you'll be equipped to take proactive measures to retain your customers and enhance their experience. Customer churn, also known as customer attrition, occurs when a customer stops using a service or ends their business relationship with a company. For businesses, retaining existing customers is crucial as it's far more cost-effective than acquiring new ones. The main objective of our model is to determine the percentage of churn for each customer. Predicting churn is vital for businesses to prevent customers from canceling their subscriptions, and it also provides valuable insights into future expected revenue. By analyzing churn rates, companies can identify areas where customer service may be lacking and make improvements to decrease churn and enhance revenue numbers. The first step is to input our data and get it ready for analysis. To bring our data into Alteryx, we'll utilize the Input Data tool. This tool allows us to read a CSV file containing our telco customer dataset. We'll now dive into the crucial step of Exploratory Data Analysis (EDAs) using Alteryx to gain valuable insights from our customer data. EDAs helps us to understand our data better, and with Alteryx, we can perform EDAs seamlessly and efficiently. Let's explore the EDA process using Alteryx and its powerful tools. To begin, we've utilized the Select tool to choose and analyze all the fields in our dataset. This allows us to examine each field's characteristics and understand its role in predicting churn. Additionally, we've employed the Browse tool, which provides a basic graph showcasing the unique count of records for the highlighted field in the Profile tab. Let's take an example with the Customer ID field. The graph reveals the total number of records displayed, indicating that our dataset consists of 7,043 unique customers. This not only gives us an overview of the dataset size, but also provides insights into data quality. We can quickly identify any null, empty, or truncated rows, as well as other useful information. To efficiently examine all fields in the dataset, we can use the Field Summary tool. This powerful tool generates a concise summary report of the descriptive statistics for the selected data fields based on the configuration. The Field Summary tool offers 3 output anchors. The O anchor provides a data table with a complete descriptive statistics report. The R anchor offers a static report. The I anchor presents an interactive dashboard. The interactive dashboard is particularly insightful, as it allows us to explore each field and its categories counts. By expanding the field, we gain further insights into its distribution and characteristics. During our analysis, we identified 2 types of data in our dataset: categorical and numerical. Most of the data related to services, such as whether customers enabled paperless billing or purchased additional streaming services, falls into the categorical category, with values like yes or no. Other fields have less than 4 instances of unique categorical values. Furthermore, we also have numerical data that requires conversion, such as monthly charges, total charges, and tenure. Understanding these data types is crucial for building an accurate churn prediction model. In the next step, we'll delve deeper into data preprocessing techniques, including handling categorical variables and transforming numerical data. Now, it's time for data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is a crucial step in preparing our data for analysis. Let's walk through the various preprocessing steps we'll perform using Alteryx. To start, we'll use the formula tool to perform this task. Our objective is to convert categorical fields with yes and no values into ones and zeros. Using an if statement, we'll substitute each yes with 1 and each no with 0 for all the relevant categorical fields. Additionally, we'll leverage the multi-field formula tool to transform other categorical fields into integers. This step not only changes the field type to int64, but also converts the data itself into numerical representations. We also need to encode each categorical instance for every field. To achieve this, we'll once again utilize the formula tool. This time, we'll create new integer fields that signify the value for each instance. Let's take the gender field as an example. To avoid having just a single field with values 0 or 1, we'll create two new fields, gender female and gender male. If the customer is female, gender female will be assigned a value of 1 and gender male will be assigned a value of 0. We've applied the same method for other fields like internet services, contracts, and payment methods. By encoding these categorical variables into numerical representations, we're preparing the dataset for our churn prediction model. In the next step, we'll delve into feature scaling and normalization techniques to ensure all variables are on a similar scale, enabling our model to make accurate predictions. We'll now focus on separating the training and test datasets and applying logistic regression to predict churn. To begin, we'll use the Create Sample tool from the Preparation toolset. This tool allows us to split our dataset into training and test samples. We'll configure the estimation percent to 80% to allocate 80% of our data for training the model and the validation percent to 20% for testing the model's performance. Next, we'll utilize the logistic regression tool, which is part of the predictive toolset. This tool is ideal when we want to relate a binary target variable, such as our churn field with values yes or no, to one or more predictor variables. In the logistic regression tool's configuration, we'll specify a model name and select churn as the target variable. We'll also choose appropriate predictor variables, including customer ID as it is a unique value, and the categorical fields we previously grouped by their instances. Additionally, we can customize the model further to suit our requirements. To check the outputs of the logistic regression tool, we'll add the Browse tool. This will allow us to examine the estimated probability percentage, which will always fall between 0 and 1. This percentage represents the likelihood of churn for each instance. To view the scoring output of the logistic regression, we'll add the Score tool. We'll connect the estimation anchor of the Create Sample tool to the logistic regression tool, and then connect the output anchor of the logistic regression tool to the model input anchor of the Score tool. Additionally, we'll connect the validation output anchor of the Create Sample tool to the data input anchor of the Score tool. In the Score tool's configuration, we'll select a local model type. The output of the Score tool will provide us with the probability percentage for each instance, indicating whether it is more likely to churn or not churn. To simplify the view and focus on the churn probability, we'll use the Select tool to choose only the yes field, which represents the probability of churn. We'll then use the Formula tool to convert this decimal value into a percentage by multiplying it by 100. Next, we'll utilize a second Select tool to choose the required fields. Then we'll use the Join tool to remove the other fields and join this selection back to our original dataset format. The joining field will be the customer ID. Lastly, we can use the Browse tool to view the churn percentage as the output of our model. If desired, we can also employ the Output Data tool to extract the output in the desired format for viewing in a table. Now, let's explore some business use cases for the churn prediction model. Subscription-based services, telecom and internet service providers, e-commerce and retail, banking and financial institutions, telecommunications and mobile network providers, software as a service (SaaS) providers. In the conclusion today, we explored some compelling business use cases for a churn prediction model. By integrating this powerful tool into various industries, companies can achieve remarkable outcomes. With the ability to predict customer churn, businesses can significantly improve customer retention rates, resulting in enhanced customer loyalty and long-term relationships. Moreover, a churn prediction model provides valuable insights into customer behavior, allowing businesses to gain a deeper understanding of their customers. This knowledge helps in tailoring personalized strategies, optimizing marketing efforts, and improving overall customer satisfaction. Furthermore, by accurately identifying customers at risk of churn, companies can allocate their resources more effectively. Instead of investing heavily in acquiring new customers, businesses can focus on targeted retention strategies for those customers who are most likely to churn. This approach ensures optimal resource utilization and cost savings. Ultimately, the integration of a churn prediction model leads to increased revenue. By minimizing customer attrition, businesses can maintain a stable customer base, capitalize on cross-selling and upselling opportunities, and maximize the lifetime value of their customers. Inquire about our complete Marketing Accelerators bundles. Follow us and like us on LinkedIn and visit our Marketing Accelerator page, www.fugetroncorp.com/marketingaccelerator. Thank you, and see you soon for a live demo.